about skeletal system and muscular system.
My name is Kaveri Vidyakshetram. I am studying in 4th standard. Books give us knowledge and kids help us to understand by doing activities.
Because we can do from this practically and we can understand the concept.
I like them kids because they are fun and involve hands-on activities. I learned about reflection, multiple reflection and opaque objects from Diwali lantern. I studied circuits, switch and battery.
Yeah, when we were studying some books, just like we have to remember the definitions. It was so hard to write in exams. But now after the skits come, we don't need to remember everything because it is practical and practical is more easier than theory.
Because we will use straw, copper plate and LED battery. Both because we will read from the books and we will understand. In kids, understand by doing activities.
I want to become a scientist because I understood about reflection, multiple reflection, opaque object. I want to become a scientist. I want to become an archaeologist and a scientist of astrophysics and biochemistry. In books, we'll learn about theory and it is difficult to remember. And in kids, we'll learn like practically, it's easy to remember.